So maybe I was off a little bit when I said this was not a crash. I mean, we covered since the last video, but we're definitely in a crash. Not a bear market, but definitely a crash. After this, I'll explain what that means. Here's the deal, guys. I'm wearing my NASA hoodie because I still think crypto is heading towards the moon. To the moon, as the kids will say. But we do have to reevaluate what's going on. Yes, there was the Elon Musk tweet, which totally wrecked the whole cryptocurrency space. His arguments about energy was a little misguided, I think. Someone as intelligent as him should have known about the energy consumption of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in particular before he bought $1.5 billion worth of it for his company Tesla, to all of a sudden stop accepting it and quote unquote may take Doge. I won't say shiesty. I would say it's good business sense if you are an early adopter and able to use it to your benefit. I will say that Doge is a very interesting currency. I own a small position. I got in at, I think, 19 cents on a whim. I threw some money at it and it has done great. However, it is not a long-term investment. About this whole crash thing that happened. Yes, we did have a crash. The market was already due for a correction anyway. Elon just went ahead and pushed the whole cryptocurrency market off the ledge.
I just got dumped.
And we are now in correction territory. Not bear market yet. I don't think we're at a bear, but I think we're starting to hear the roars. We're getting there. We're getting there. Will we recover from where we are now? I don't know. Honestly, I think we may go down to 33, 39,000 for Bitcoin particularly. But in the meantime, there's a lot of altcoins to diversify your investments into. Obviously, the main players, Ethereum, Helium, Cardano, T-Fuel. Those are the ones that I particularly would diversify and put my money into, as well as Ethereum Classic. I know there's some debate about Ethereum Classic. Was it vulnerable in the past? Yeah, it was 51% attack. They've since made themselves a lot more secure, so that shouldn't happen again. But a 51% attack can happen to any currency. It can definitely happen to Dogecoin. It's really centralized, and the whole purpose of cryptocurrency is to get decentralized. In my last video, I told you 3 ways to protect yourself and save yourself and survive the crash. We are definitely in a crash right now, and the best ways to do it are the same 3 that I said before. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Also, buy the dip. This is a huge discount. It's like Christmas right now, guys. Any and all alts are pretty much on sale. If you want to go for a long 10x, 100x, look for an alt like Omni or Tron or Solera. Any of those that are low caps, look for some of those if you want to do 100x. If you want to be a little bit safer and still do an alt, obviously Ethereum Classic, ADA, VeChain, all of those are great hedges against Bitcoin going down. Now, the big question is, if we are in a bear market, how long will this bear market last? Well, to figure that out, you have to look at history, right? We have been on a steady 8-month decline, and then 4 or 5 months, huge spike, huge raise. We're well overdue for a correction, so it was only a matter of time before this happened. Do I think this is gonna last long? I think we will hit $39,000, $33,000. I think we'll get to that low before we start seeing a little rebound to 55,000. And then boom, we're in the bear market. I don't see this cryptocurrency assets going above 64 anytime soon till honestly next year. So whatever you have now, you can either diversify and get an USDC and make sure it's locked down, or you can ride it out till around August and then ride that little boom to like $55,000, because I think that's where the max is again, and then move your money. Or if you're for the long run, just leave it there. but I'm gonna do a half and half. I'm gonna leave half in Bitcoin and half in USDC or some other alts just to make sure I'm safe. Anything I'm missing? Anything else you want to know? What do you want to see less of next week? What do you want to see more of next week? Let me know in the comments down below and I'll respond to every single one, even if it's just one comment. Please subscribe, hit that like button, comment, share with a friend. Thanks for watching. Bye.